Once upon a time, in the ancient land of Canaan, there lived a young man named Yousaf. He was blessed with exceptional beauty, which mesmerized all who beheld him. Yousaf had a heart full of kindness and wisdom, making him a beloved figure in his community. Yousaf's radiant beauty became a subject of envy for his own brothers. Consumed by jealousy, they plotted against him. One fateful day, they convinced their father, Yaqub, that Yousaf should accompany them on a journey. Little did Yousaf know that this journey would change his life forever. As they ventured into the wilderness, the brothers seized the opportunity to betray Yousaf. They abandoned him in a barren land, leaving him alone and vulnerable. Yousaf, with his unwavering faith in God, never lost hope. He knew that his beauty was a gift from the divine, and it was this faith that kept his spirit unbroken. Yousaf's destiny took an unexpected turn when a caravan passing by discovered him. The travelers were captivated by his extraordinary beauty and decided to take him to Egypt. There, Yousaf caught the attention of the Egyptian ruler, Aziz, who recognized his unique qualities and appointed him as his trusted servant. Yousaf's charm and wisdom gained him immense respect among the people of Egypt. Aziz's wife, Zuleika, became deeply infatuated with Yousaf's beauty and relentlessly pursued him. But Yousaf remained steadfast in his devotion to God, refusing to succumb to temptation. His integrity and righteousness shone brighter than his physical appearance. One day, Zuleika's desire became too overwhelming for her to bear. She attempted to seduce Yousaf, but he resisted her advances, standing firm in his faith. Realizing the severity of her actions, Zuleika falsely accused Yousaf of wrongdoing and had him imprisoned. In prison, Yousaf's reputation spread like wildfire. Even behind bars, he exuded a radiance that touched the hearts of his fellow inmates. His ability to interpret dreams became known, and soon the king himself sought Yousaf's guidance. Through divine intervention, Yousaf's interpretations proved accurate, and he rose to become a trusted advisor to the king. Years passed, and the land of Egypt faced a severe famine. Yousaf's wisdom and foresight saved the kingdom and its people from starvation. Meanwhile, back in Canaan, Yousaf's brothers deeply regretted their actions. The guilt weighed heavily on their hearts. They journeyed to Egypt in search of food, unaware that they would come face to face with the brother they had betrayed. When Yousaf recognized his brothers, he forgave them wholeheartedly, embracing them with love and compassion. He believed in the transformative power of forgiveness and knew that it was the path to healing and redemption. Yousaf's tale of beauty extended beyond his physical appearance. It was his inner strength, unwavering faith, and capacity for forgiveness that truly set him apart. His story remains a timeless reminder of the triumph of goodness over evil, the power of forgiveness, and the beauty that lies within each and every one of us. The inspirational journey of Hazrat Yousaf, triumph over adversity.